Man dancing. Bhiya, and the chairman's vibe. Why Killer T's latest still bangs. Killer T, or the chairman as he's known to the masses, has a knack for turning simple Shona phrases into Zimdancehall anthems that stick. His track record is less a discography and more a masterclass in hitting the cultural pulse. And his recent track, Bhiya, featuring Xiba, is another straight-up reminder of why he holds the throne. What makes Bhiya a vibe? Bhiya, which translates roughly to beer, might sound like a simple party track on the surface. But let's be real, with Killer T, it's always more than just the surface. The signature sound. The song delivers that quintessential Killer T flow, smooth, relatable, and peppered with his unique Maber street lingo. It's the kind of beat that works just as well in a noisy combi as it does at a massive concert. The production is clean, crisp, and makes you want to move immediately. A relatable story. Like many of his hits, think Toda Kumbo Farao, or Endemuda. This song taps into the collective desire to unwind, celebrate the small victories, and momentarily escape the notorious ghetto hustle. It's the soundtrack to a Friday afternoon when the grind finally pauses. The Xiba factor. The collaboration with Xiba brings a fantastic new dynamic. Her vocals aren't just background, they add texture and a different flavor that keeps the song fresh and ensures it appeals across a broader spectrum of listeners. A well-chosen feature is always a power move, and this one paid off. Killer T. Still the voice of the ghetto. Bhiya isn't a one-off. It's consistent with the chairman's brand, music that genuinely resonates. Killer T has long been hailed as the voice of the ghetto, because he sings about real life, poverty, resilience, social issues, and the daily grind, without being overly preachy. He manages to package serious themes in highly danceable rhythms. I sing what I come across every day, he once said. And that authenticity is what keeps his fans loyal. Whether he's talking about orphanhood, Narera, or drug abuse, Guka, his message is always wrapped in simple, powerful language that avoids the patois of Jamaican dancehall, keeping it distinctly Zim. In a genre often saturated with fleeting trends, Killer T has achieved longevity through sincerity. He's not just making music, he's documenting life for a huge segment of the population. Final verdict. A certified chairman hit. If you haven't added Bhiya to your playlist, you're missing out on a certified banger. It's a perfect blend of high-energy Zimdancehall rhythm and Killer T's lyrical mastery. It proves that even after years in the game, the chairman still knows how to drop a track that takes over the airwaves. Papapo. The chairman has done it again. Would you like to know more about the collaboration with Xiba, or perhaps check out a playlist of Killer T's other classic Zimdancehall hits?